Hello my dear, welcome here. In this video, I'm gonna show you this beautiful and easy beads earring making step at home. It's a classy stud earring. I am using here white and golden beads. You can use your favorite color. So please watch the video full. I hope you will understand the technique well. So please consider like and subscribe for more jewelry making videos like this. I am requesting you please turn on caption button for your favorite subtitles. So materials for this earring, we need white seed beads 8O, golden beads 11O and stud earring pins 6 mm and beading needle number 10 and beading thread or fishing line 0.20 mm. So let's make the earring. At first, take approximately 90 cm long thread for the single earring. Pick up 3 golden beads 11O. Please tie a few secure knots here. Now pass through the next 1 golden beads like so. In this step, I'm gonna work with 3 beads in between 3 gaps. So pick up 1 white 8O beads and pass through the next golden one. And I'm gonna repeat this 3 times. Pick up 1 white bead and pass through the next golden one. Again pick up 1 white bead and pass through the next golden one. Now I'm gonna step up through the 1 white bead. Now I'm gonna work with 6 beads in between 3 gaps. So pick up 2 white beads and pass through the next white one. Again pick up 2 white beads and pass through the next white one. Again pick up 2 white beads and pass through the next white one. Now I'm gonna step up through the next white one. In this step, I'm gonna work with 6 beads in between 6 gaps. So now pick up 1 white bead and pass through the next white one. So pick up 1 white bead and pass through the next one, skipping the middle one. So pick up 1 white bead and pass through the next one. Again pick up one white bead and pass through the next one, skipping the middle one. Pick up one white bead and pass through the next one. Pick up one white bead and pass through the next two beads, skipping the middle one. In this step, I'm gonna work with 18 beads in between 6 gaps. Every time pick up 3 beads and repeat 6 times. So pick up 3 white beads and pass through the next one in the last row. Again pick up 3 white beads and pass through the next one in the last row. Pick up 3 white and pass through the next one. Repeat the same, pick up 3 white and pass through the next one. Pick up 3 white beads and pass through the next white one. In this step, pick up 3 white beads and pass through the next 3 beads. Cut off the extra tail thread. At this point, secure the end with couple knots here. After that, you can cut off the extra tail thread, but here I am not cutting off. This way, make the another one like mine. Now we have to attach 2 flowers. Now pass through the next one because we have to work in the edge. Reinforce the 2 edges like so. Now we have to reach the next top bead through the next 4 beads. Now put the stud pin in between the flower like so. Now reinforce the edges like the previous one. In this way, reinforce the other edges too. As you can see, I have completed all the edges. Now secure the end with couple knots here. Cut off the extra tail thread and voila, it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand the tutorial well. If you really enjoyed this, then subscribe for more. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.